जीएसटी लागू केल्या उपरांत आर्थीक क्षेत्रांत पारदर्शकता आयली अशें मत केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हाणें व्यक्त केलां। जीएसटी लागू केल्या उपरांत आर्थीक तशेंच तांत्रीक पावंड्याचेर बरेचशा आव्हानांक सरकाराक तोंड दिवचें पडलें। मात कोरोना परिस्थिती आनी हेर बाबी जाग्यार आयल्या उपरांत देशाची आर्थीक वेवस्था परत जाग्यार आयली अशें सीतारामन हाणें म्हणलां। केंद्रीय प्रत्यक्ष आनी अप्रत्यक्ष कर मंडळ आनी अबकारी खात्याच्या जोड पालवान आयोजीत केल्ल्या जीएसटी परिशदे वेळार ती मुखेल सोयरी म्हूण उलयताली।
If after the implementation in 17, 18, there was a bit of a slowdown and there were issues of credit availability in the economy, then came the Lok Sabha elections, and was 19 the year through which we saw a lot of difficulties in the technical availability or the facility, the GSTN and its professional services, the technology, its adaptability, we're all throwing a lot of challenges. So if 2019 went in that, 18 and 19 went somewhat because of the election, 19 was also because of difficulties, and that is where in 19, and I'm again happy to the officers who were very open-minded. When there were difficulties in the implementation because of certain technology-related glitches, we had to invite the chartered accountants and also the tax-paying community to come and sit together with the GST officials and resolve the problems. After all, we heard a lot of people say this morning that GST, even as it got launched, was a process which was fully automated. And if indeed you were fully automated, and if your automation was not facilitating but was full of glitches,